Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about the GoPro. Okay, so which is our best buddy, or how to keep it safe and during the rides. So when I was doing my country level ride, I was experiencing a lot of problems while keeping my GoPro safe, right? And essentially when I discovered that, then I was trying to find solutions around it. So because when you're riding, essentially every time you're not keeping your GoPros in your helmet or you're not recording, but when you store it, there are ample chances, or you can say enough chances, you can damage the screen of the GoPro. And while riding also, your GoPros also fall and then get damaged. So with the experience which I saw, I'm just placing in my experience videos and what are the solutions which I found out to keep the GoPro safe. So let's quickly see in next say a few minutes that how you can keep your GoPro in a better shape while you're riding and while you're storing your GoPro. So now essentially when we are traveling and we are not keeping the camera in use and we are keeping it in some case, so certainly there is a high risk of lens getting scratched. So this is a silicone cap which is like say for approximately 150 rupees. You can place in this and then store your camera, right? This is a lanyard and we are going to see what kind of safety it provides and what is the use case it solves while riding, while storing the camera, or is it while keeping it safe. This is the lanyard which I am having, and it also acts as a protector for a camera when you're mounting it on the helmet. So this one edge is on the jacket of the camera. Now we are going to put the camera inside the jacket, right? So here is it, placing the camera inside the jacket. So the other end of the lanyard goes inside here. So this is a safety lock which you'll install on your helmet, and then you just rope in. So in this case your camera is mounted here, but in case if you are losing your grip from here, like for example your tape comes off, your camera will not fall off. So let's connect this, and this comes with a quick release. So you want to quick release your camera, you can just detach it. These are essentially the quick tips for our GoPro and while using your GoPro safely on the rides. I'm going to talk about now the screen protector. So essentially when you buy your camera, also buy this screen guard, which is for your operational screen right now. So I've placed in this screen guard. This also helps me saving my screen from getting scratched. So essentially if this happens to your GoPro, then if you're not having a protector, what will you do? So this is the front protector after that incident, how it got damaged. Now I'm going to replace this front protector, because if had it been a case I did not install this protector, my front screen would have got damaged. So essentially this comes in pair, back screen and front screen, different sizes for different cameras. Please do install these as soon as you get your action camera. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you didn't like the video, please let us know what improvements would you like to see in the video and how can we improve the channel and the quality of videos which we are surfacing. So we'll be back with another interesting videos about the ride, about the products, about the problems, about the challenges. And till then we'll keep on discovering. Until then, stay tuned for the same channel and we'll be right back.